Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, May 6, 2021. This morning we saw the markets open fairly flat. We had some selling early on, but buyers stepped in quite aggressively, and we are now trading up near the highs of the session. And 3 of the 4 instruments, you can see the S&P up here in the top left, holding up very well here near the highs of the session after testing down below yesterday's low. So actually almost an outside day. We came up and tested right around yesterday's high. But tomorrow we have the non-farm payrolls report out in the morning, and I figured we would take a look at what has happened historically going into the close when it is the day before the non-farm payrolls report and you're trading above yesterday's closing price. So I've got this set up to enter the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern time with an exit at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time for all 4 instruments. Next, I'm going to go into the post-open filters and add that little bit of context saying that at 3 p.m., it is trading above yesterday's closing price. So let me go ahead and hit equals here for above prior close and the intraday close versus daily levels. That just means that the time of entry, which I've got set to 3 p.m., is higher than yesterday's closing price. Next, I'm going to go into the indicators section and put us above a 200-day simple moving average. I'm not going to use the 10 because I want to keep as many samples as possible, and this is something that only happens once a month, and I've got a little bit of context around it as well. So we're going to leave it just above the 200 to keep all the samples that we can. And then lastly, in the market events section, I'm going to say that tomorrow is the non-farm payrolls report. So I'm going to grab that from the active today section, that top option. It's also in this category right here in our long list of day before market events. So I've got that added, and now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern time, exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time, when tomorrow is the non-farm payrolls report. You're above a 200-day simple moving average, and at 3 p.m., you are trading above the prior session close. So historically, 97 samples here for the S&P, 101 for the NASDAQ, 93 for the Dow, and 87 for the Russell. And the win rates on these all skewed towards the long side. So the S&P is the weakest at 59%, and then the NASDAQ coming in at 62%, the Dow 61%, the Russell 66% of these have closed above that 3 p.m. price. As far as average win and average loss, looks like the average win is a little bit bigger than the average loss for the S&P. That is also true for the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the Russell. So all 4 of them, larger moves to the upside historically, and the win rate skewed towards the upside as well, historically speaking. So before I hop off here, one last reminder that after the close today, we will be hosting our webinar about auto trading. If that's something that you want to learn more about, go ahead and click that link that is below this video, InvestiQuant.com/webinar. Register for that, and you can join us at 4:30 p.m. Eastern time today. I hope to see you guys there.